New amateur video shows the aftermath of a deadly New York City commuter train derailment. Emergency workers tending to victims toppled railway cars scattered among trees early Sunday morning. Just 24 hours later, most of the Metro-North train that skidded off the tracks, killing 4 people and injuring more than 60 others, was uprighted once again. Investigators found 2 data recorders among the wreckage.
We're in the process of taking that data, validating it. Will tell us speeds, when brake applications were made, throttle settings, and so forth. We'll understand better the operation of the cars.
The 7 cars and locomotive derailed at a bend in the tracks near the intersection of 2 rivers in the Bronx. The NTSB will consider if excessive speed, mechanical problems, or human error played a role. They're expected to interview the engineer and conductor soon.
The intent is, of course, to identify ways to prevent injuries and fatalities in the future.
The NTSB says it may take up to 10 days to conclude the on-site investigation. Metro-North provided shuttle bus service Monday morning for the 26,000 weekday riders on the nation's 2nd biggest commuter railroad.
I just got up earlier just to take the bus.
I'm about a half hour late. I'm going to be late for work.
Rail officials say the train was half full at the time of the accident. Had it been a normal workday, the death toll could